Here's how to fix the windshield washer fluid warning light in just a few simple steps. 1. Refill washer fluid. Locate the washer fluid reservoir under your car's hood. Look for a cap with a windshield wiper symbol. Open the cap and fill it with windshield washer fluid until it's near the top or reaches the full mark. Use appropriate washer fluid, especially in cold climates, to prevent freezing. 2. Check for leaks. After refilling, observe if the fluid level drops rapidly. Look underneath the car for any leaks from the reservoir or hoses. Fix leaks by repairing or replacing cracked components. 3. Inspect the sensor. If the warning persists despite the reservoir being full, the fluid level sensor inside the reservoir might be stuck or faulty. Try tapping gently on the reservoir to loosen a stuck sensor. If this doesn't work, the sensor may need cleaning or replacement. 4. Reset the warning light. Some cars automatically clear the warning once the fluid is refilled. If the light remains on, turn the car off and on. Disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes to reset the system. Ensure you have any necessary radio or system codes before disconnecting. Most of the time, these simple steps will fix the issue. If the issue persists, it may be due to 1. Faulty wiring to the sensor. 2. An electrical or dashboard issue. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.